I'm getting my nails done this morning, you guys. You just staring, just like, what are you doing, mom? It's so cute. I love it. We are going to La Ronde. You guys, we've been having the best day.
It woke me up.
It really woke me up too. Look at her basket. Alex is protecting our strawberries. Morning, you guys, welcome back to my channel. This morning we are getting our nails done. I'm so excited. I'm like, you know what, I took a really long break. It's been like 6 months now since I've had my nails done. They've had time to regrow, to get healthier. They're kind of bristly right now. I don't know what's going on. They're kind of breaking and everything, but anyways, I thought it was the time to start doing nails again because I'm leaving in a few weeks for a trip and I like to have my nails done for my trip, and I don't like to have tips, so we'll see what the girls suggest. I'm also trying gel nails for the first time. I didn't want to do acrylics anymore. I was like, you know what, let's try gel. A lot of girls rave about gel. I've heard really good things and it seems to be better for your nails than acrylics anyway, so I was like, you know what, let's give gel a try. And I drove like 30 minutes out to this girl that I found on Instagram to try her out. I wanted like to go see one specific person, not like just go to any random salon and get assigned to whoever's there. Like I really want to like find that person that I just always go to get my nails done. I don't know if it's gonna be her. I've seen her stuff online. She's amazing, but it is quite a drive, so we'll see if I stick to it with her. I'm excited to see what she suggests. If she suggests tips, then I will do tips for today, but my ideal scenario would be to do builder gel and then have my nails grow out. I do leave in like 2 weeks for Greece, 2.5 weeks for Greece, so I'm gonna have to like come back in within the next 2 weeks to get a refill, and I'm hoping they kind of like grow out enough that they're like a little bit longer so that they look good on my trip. Like I don't want them to be short. So anyways, I'm getting my nails done this morning, you guys. I'm so excited. Also, you saw me do my slick back. I'm gonna be brutally honest. It actually didn't take me the time that it took me, that you guys saw in this vlog. It took me like 30 minutes to get this bun done. It was ridiculous. I was having such a hard time doing the slick back. I finally nailed it. Actually, I kind of gave up and just did whatever the hell I wanted and it worked. So I was like, oh, okay, I really just need to not try so hard, and that's how that goes. So I was like, okay, we're gonna stop trying so hard. Anyways, yeah, we're here early. I'm so happy, like proud of myself. I'm here 8 minutes early. I want to do like a little TikTok, so yeah, I'm gonna do my TikTok, and I wanted to intro this vlog, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna leave early, intro the vlog when I get there, and do my TikTok and then go in. I'm a little stressed but a little excited at the same time. I'm trying to like bring peace of mind. Like I'm like, you know what, if I don't like them, I don't like them. It's not a big deal. I tried. So I'm trying to go in with that mindset rather than like I'm so scared that I'm not gonna like them. Like I can't help but feel a little bit like that regardless, but I'm trying my best to be like, you know what, if they don't work out, if I don't love them, it's fine. They're just nails. I can have them removed. I can have them redone. Like it's fine. It's not a big deal. So yeah, let's go get our nails done. You guys, The nails are done. Oh my god, I can't believe I have nails again. Not that I have nails again, but my nails are done. It just feels so good. We had to go really short because some of my nails were breaking, and that's completely fine. We are having them grow out. I have this little square nail moment going. We're gonna enjoy it. I feel like it's very classy. That's what she was saying too. Very, very classy. And I agree. And we have this baby pink on it. It looks really good. Have an appointment in 2 weeks for a refill because yeah, we're leaving in 2 weeks. So we need to do a refill, and I'm thinking maybe baby yellow in 2 weeks, but we shall see. Everything in its own time. But yeah, now we're gonna go back home and I'm gonna show Alex. He's home. He's on vacation for the summer. If you guys didn't know, Alex is an elementary school teacher. So he's off during the summer. And today is his first day of vacation officially, and he's really just enjoying his day off. So let's go back home, show him the nails. I've got like almost 40-minute drive to get back home because long live Ottawa. We love how much traffic there is in Ottawa, but it's fine. We're gonna put some good music on, enjoy the drive home. Also, I got compliments on my outfit and on my earrings. I was like, oh, thank you so much. Like, you guys have no idea how much time I spent getting ready this morning, so this means so much to me. I feel validated for the amount of time that it took me to get ready because you guys love my outfit and love my earrings. So excited. Also, my earrings are super cute. I love them. I love the little knot earrings. They're from H&M. $10, $8.99 actually, so love that. Anyways, let's head home. I'm gonna go show the nails to Alex. I'm really excited. We're walking to get shawarmas for lunch because it's already 2 p.m. and we don't want to figure out lunch. We'll figure out dinner, but we don't want to figure out lunch. I did a quick outfit change. I put on this tennis skirt and my little Lulu a line jacket. Also, this lighting is weird. And we're heading to grab some lunch, just some shawarmas. It's gonna be so good. I'm actually so hungry and they're gonna be so yummy. Okay, you guys, it's been raining, so we've been binge watching We Were Liars. We started it this week, watched episodes 1 through 4 throughout the week, and we just binged the 4 last episodes because it's raining and it's gloomy. It just felt right. You guys, I am devastated. It's so good. It's actually so good in the most devastating way. But like, chef's kiss, so good. Truly. Like, we watch a lot of like series like this whenever they come out, and I think this is my favorite. Like, truly my favorite. But it is devastating, like heartbreaking. I was crying. And I feel emotionally drained right now from watching it, or at least from watching like the last episode. Like, I feel emotionally drained. Look at my cat. He's like, you're in my bubble, what are you doing? So he's coming to push me away. Anyways, I had to update you guys. Our shawarmas were amazing, by the way, but I'm so full. It is now 6 p.m. and I'm not even close to being hungry. I don't even think I can eat any more food today. Like, that was just like, it wasn't even that much food. It's just so filling, honestly. But yeah, I just had to come on here and say how like y'all need to watch this show if you haven't watched it yet. It is so good, but so devastating. Like, I was crying, sobbing. Even my fiance cried. He cried too. Like, that's when you know it's really sad. Anyways, I just have to like come tell you guys this. Also, do you see him? He's just staring. He's like, what are you doing, mom? Like, stop it. You're annoying. Anyways, I will talk to you guys later. What is up, you guys? It's been a day. I feel like I didn't do much, like nothing vlog worthy, but at the same time I feel like I did so much. Also, my hair is so crazy because I was just outside. But I just went to Aritzia to exchange a top that I got during the clientele sale to get this one. I'm so upset with myself that I didn't get it when it was on sale, but it is what it is. I kind of like had second guesses about another shirt that I had. I just wasn't able to style it properly, and I was like, I love this shirt, but if I'm not able to style it, there's no reason for me to keep it. So I went and got this shirt instead. It wasn't on sale anymore, which sucks, but it's so cute. I love it. It's adorable. It's the same one as my green shirt that I purchased, and I'm obsessed, and I know that I'll be able to style this so many different ways. So I know that this was the right choice to make. I know that I didn't really vlog today too much. It was super rainy this morning, and now it's like super sunny outside. But honestly, it wasn't a very eventful day, so you guys didn't miss out on too much. But tomorrow we're having a fun day, so I'll definitely make sure to vlog a little bit more tomorrow. Barbecue for dinner tonight, yum. Good morning, you guys. It's the next day. It's bright and early. It is 8 a.m. and we are up and ready to leave because we are going to La Ronde, which is an amusement park in Montreal. We're gonna go spend the day there with Alex's mother and stepdad and brother and his brother's girlfriend. Just want to show you guys my outfit before we leave. Very simple. I'm doing biker shorts, Lulu aligned biker shorts, Lulu aligned tank, denim jacket, and then just my sambas. Yes, this is like my walking around doing things outfit. I wear this in Niagara Falls like every single day because it's comfy, it's cute, and it does what it needs to do. So we're heading out. We're gonna go get some Timmy's for breakfast, which I'm so excited, and I'm bringing you guys along for the day, so let's go. We just stopped at Timmy's, and honestly I always get the same order. So we got a combo with iced coffees, just like medium regular iced coffees. We did a farmer's wrap. I can't, like, yeah, you can kind of see it. A farmer's wrap with bacon instead of sausage, and chocolate chip muffins. Can't really see it, but we switch out the hash brown for a chocolate chip muffin because there's a hash brown in the wrap anyways, and the muffin is a little bit more filling. So that's what we got for breakfast. We literally ordered like one thing, and then we're like just double that. We're doing exactly the same thing twice. Sorry, my fiance's mother just called just to confirm like everything. Anyways, we're on our way now. I don't remember what I was saying, but I did want to say I'm actually wearing my fake engagement ring today because I was like, if I'm doing roller coasters, I don't want to be doing, oh, I'm not tied up. I don't want to be wearing like my real ring. So I put on the fake ring, and that's sad, because in Niagara Falls I ended up taking my ring off for like the entire trip. I wore it I think like the Friday, and then the Saturday I took it off. I was like, I can't, like, I'm stressed out, I'm scared something's gonna happen, so I decided to be safe. I'm just gonna do the fake ring because I still want to have a ring on. So anyways, now we're on our way, and I'm really excited. It's gonna be so much fun. Guys, we've been having the best day. I am not a roller coaster girl, but I've been doing all the roller coasters except for one. And at this point, I'm like, I could have done it. I think it would have been fine, but we're having so much fun. My head is like spinning though, and it kind of hurts. We haven't drank enough water, and we've been like banging everywhere. Like our heads have been banging everywhere. So yeah, we need to like watch that. But it's been like such a fun day. What do you think?
Oh,
fun
yeah.
day? We've been having a lot of fun. And it's a really nice day actually. It's not too hot, not too cold.
No, it's like nice.
It's kind of hot now, but it wasn't like super hot during the day.
It's nice.
It's a really nice day to be doing this, honestly.
Oh.
It's been fun. Oh my god, you guys. Look at my hair. We just did like the craziest roller coaster. It's crazy because like it's not like big drops or anything like that, but it's fast and it's all wood. It's a wood roller coaster. Like, I need to show you guys.
No. It goes fast.
It's this one right here. It's all made of wood. Sorry. And like literally you just it shakes so much. Like my head hurts right now.
Honestly, a little bit. It's wow.
That was so much fun. We're heading home now. We just finished off with two different it's closed. Oh, that's sad.
So what?
Is it closed? Is that a thing? Wasn't it like a... Oh, never mind.
Oh, no.
We finished off with the Goliath and then the Monster. And now we're heading home. His mom and like the rest of them headed home like probably like an hour ago.
Yeah, something like that.
And we decided to stay a little bit and redo like a few roller coasters.
It's already 8?
It's already 8. It's 8 p.m. right now. But I think this was like the most fun I've had in so much, like so much time.
A lot
like,
of fun.
Oh, like yeah. And I wanted to vlog earlier, but there was so much like loud music around us. We actually, yeah, that too. But we ended up getting like coffee, and honestly, I feel the coffee right now. I feel like I have energy.
It woke me up.
It really woke me up too.
I'm happy we bought it.
Yeah, no, for real. So now we're gonna head home. We have a 2-hour drive. Yeah, I guess they're closing some of them early.
I guess.
It's fine. This one is like a slip and slide and like a water thing. Anyways, we're heading home. This was like the best day. I had so much fun. Best weather. And honestly, we talked about maybe coming with some friends, and if it happens, I'm gonna be really happy about it.
Oh yeah.
Good morning, you guys. We decided this morning to come strawberry picking, as you can see. It's like one of the last few times that we can do it, and we had the day. The day's really nice. It's really hot though, so I'm like overheating, but I think this is a great idea. We have a huge basket, and we found like really big strawberries. Do you want to show our basket? Look at our basket. We got the biggest basket.
We have a couple of
like ginormous strawberries. So we filled it up like very quickly because they're all big strawberries. Good luck. I also stained my shoes, so I'm gonna have to try to wipe that off when I get home. There's like just the smallest amount of strawberry on the tip of my shoe that's not on the rubber, but I think it's gonna be fine. Anyways, we're gonna go wait for the tractor. We're gonna head back to the entrance, and I think we're gonna go look because they have like a little, I guess, farmers market type of area. I think I showed a clip earlier in the vlog, or just a few seconds ago, and it's like they have a lot of fresh produce, so I think we're gonna go check that out. Alex is protecting our strawberries while we're on the tractor way ride back. Make sure none of them fall out. You're doing a great job, hun.
Yeah, I ate a lot.
Did you have fun? Heading home, but we did get 2 things in the little farmer's market. We got a baguette. It was a freshly made baguette. It's like warm and chewy, and we already ate some. It's so good. Oh my god, it's amazing. And then I get green onions every single week, but they had some here for the same price, and they are huge. These are ginormous. These are like 2 foot long, 2 feet long, 2 foot long. I don't know, but they're really long. And then we got obviously our strawberries. 2 feet. I don't think that's right. Anyways,
No, it's not.
we're done our little activity of the day. We're heading home. It's really hot out. I would like to go for a walk, but I guess we'll see. Maybe if we go with like a water bottle and we have a slow pace, we should be fine. We'll see. All right, we shall see.